Hello folks, we are coming with the part 3 video of the exercise 6.3. We continue with the problems that we were doing in the previous exercise. Let's take this problem. First, 7th one, 2x plus y greater than or equal to 8 and x plus y greater than or equal to 10. So you take its corresponding equality, 2x plus y equal to 8 and x plus 2y equal to 10. Get the values as usual, x is 0, y is 0, and let's check what comes. So if you're taking x as 0 over here, you're going to get y as 8, and if y is 0, you're going to get 2x equal to 8, which is x equal to 4. Similarly, we are going to take up the values of x and y in the next case also. If x is 0, you are going to get the value of y as 2y equal to 10, so y is 5, and if y is 0, you're going to get the x value as 10. Let's go for the plotting of this graph. 0 and 8 first point, 4 and 0 next point, and let's have the equation. This is 2x plus y equal to 8, and then we have to check the region now. 2 into 0 plus 0, whether it is greater than or equal to 8 or not. 0 cannot be greater than or equal to 8, that's not correct. So therefore, part of the origin is not the solution, so you have this part as a solution. Alright, so that's about your equation number 1. Then we have the second equation. There we go for the plotting. 0, 5 is your first point. Next point is 10, 0, and let's check how it goes. This is a line which indicates x plus 2y equal to 10. Now the region is what we have to check. 0 plus 2 times 0, whether it is greater than or equal to 10, no. That's not true. 0 cannot be greater than or equal to 10. Let's just check both the inequalities. Greater than, 7th problem. 7th problem, greater than, greater. Yes, fine. So we have both are not. So for this line, this part is not the solution. It is on the top part. So here is a solution. Therefore, we will have to check the common area of solution. Probably it's this K shape. Yeah, everything above this. That will be the region of solution. So if you are very confident, the first and second you need not plot at all, and the last part where we take the common region alone, if you plot, then the confusion will be also less actually. Okay, next question, simpler one. X plus y less than or equal to 9, y greater than x, x is positive, and therefore we are taking its equalities. X plus y equal to 9, x is 0, so y is 9, and y is 0, so x is 9, y equal to x. Like an earlier problem that we saw, we will take values at random and see the normal logic will not work. So you can take maybe y as 2. If y is 2, x is also 2. Take y as maybe 7. So x is also 7. They equal, right? So let's go about plotting it. First is 0, 9. Next is 9, 0. So we have the first line. This is x plus y equal to 9. And see the region now, 0 plus 0. Whether it is less than or equal to 9, yes. So you have the origin area as the region of solution. So this is the region of solution. Next we have y equal to x. So maybe your first point is 2, 2. First point. And the next point is 7, 7. And origin, of course. So this is x equal to y, and then the region, for region what we will do is, for example, take this point 3, 1. Let's take 3, 1 and just substitute. can 1 be greater than 3, because you have this y greater than x. So whether this is possible? Never possible. So therefore this part of the region is not the solution, the top part which is going to be the solution. So everything over here above this line can be a solution. So then we look out for the common area, and when we look out for the common area, probably we'll get this triangle actually. Because they have told x as positive, so that helps us to decide that probably this is going to be a common area, and that way this becomes your region of solution. That's about problem number 8. Now we quickly move to problem number 9. Here you have 5x plus 4y less than or equal to 20, x greater than or equal to 1, y greater than or equal to 2. So you require a table for this. We consider its equality. This is also equal. So when we put x as 0, you get 4y equal to 20. So y is 5. And when you get y as 0, you get 5x equal to 20. So x is 4. So let's take this first point 0, 5. Next point 4, 0. And let's have the line. And this is a line 5x plus 4y equal to 20. Now the region is to be decided. 5 into 0 plus 4 into 0, whether it is less than or equal to 20, yes. Because 0 is less than 20. So it's the origin area which is the area of solution. So this part all is the area of the solution. So this is there. Then we have those two equations are very easy. X equal to 1 is a line parallel to the y-axis. It's a line parallel to the y-axis. This is x equal to 1 and x is greater than 1. So we are looking out for everything on this side. Let's have those waves. Right. Then we have the next y equal to 2. Y equal to 2 is a line parallel to the x-axis from 2. And this is y equal to 2 and you have y greater than 2 actually. So therefore you have all those things above. Right. So now you have to look out for the area where you have all these three happening. You have the straight line, you have the dots and you have the waves. I think it should be this area. Right triangle kind of thing. Yeah, it's a right triangle area that is coming up. The common area where everything is happening. That is the region of solution. That area, that is the region of solution. So this was our problem number 7, 8, 9 with the remaining 3 problems in the next video. Thank you.